2 days ago, I was able to generate more than $13,000 on one single day. And while I'm recording this video, I'm already making 3K in 9 a.m. in the morning. So in today's video, I will explain exactly how you can grow to more than 10K plus per day. So if you're still struggling getting your business model up and running, getting your dropshipping store up and running, this video is exactly for you, because in this video, I will show a 4-step process that I took to go from 0 to 10K plus per days within literally just a few weeks. Okay, let's start with step number 1, which is, of course, when you're literally not doing anything yet, you need to pick your business model, okay? In one of the last videos that I published, I literally talked about all the business models that you can see here on the screen, and I literally just put them in an S tier list to show you guys which is the best business model. One of the best business models that I think you can start is actually dropshipping, Shopify dropshipping. If you don't know what it is actually just selling products from China to the customer without touching inventory. The fulfillment method is called dropshipping. That's what I do, and that's the business model that I'm going to talk about today, because I think till this date, it's the easiest business model if you have at least a 30, 60, or 90-day time window, okay? So we picked this business model instead of creating a school community, TikTok shop community, trading, this kind of stuff. I think you can cut the noise. We focus on dropshipping. E-commerce is booming. Next year, 2026, it will be even bigger. This is a business model that will stay and last forever, okay? So that's step number 1. We chose Shopify. We chose dropshipping. Then what you always need to do in step 2 is choose the traffic source. You need traffic to your business model, traffic to your store. So how do you get traffic? By running ads normally. You can do this with Facebook ads, you can do this with Google ads, TikTok ads, Pinterest, or even the crazy people are doing organic content, which I think is completely dead. You should not be doing this, but I just put it on there for the organic bros out here. I think that's very convenient that you, of course, you need to run ads to get traffic. Which one do you need to pick, and which one is maybe the best for your business? Well, first of all, if you like to splash a lot of budget and to waste a lot of money and just spam test a lot of products, please do Facebook ads. Please do it. Less competition for me. I think that will be great for you guys, but you will lose a lot of money. And of course, you get a lot of ad account bans, business profile restrictions, personal profile restrictions. It goes on, all right? Facebook hates dropshippers. Then, of course, we have Google Ads. That's what I do. Literally where people actually search products to buy. If you want to buy, let's say, this mouse, you literally go to Google and you type in wireless mouse, right? You don't go to Facebook and type in wireless mouse. Same goes for TikTok ads. TikTok ads is also just a platform where people just do dances and just laughs and this kind of stuff. And mostly Gen Z people are on there with not that much of money, not the best advertisement platform. Then you have Pinterest. It's also a search-based platform, which is decent, but it's very, very slow. Like $5 per day you start with, and maybe at the end of the month, you're spending maybe $60 a day, which is crazy. And then, of course, I talked about already, organic content is bullshit. So what do? Let's get a pencil. I don't know if this is working. We focus on Google Ads, okay? This is the way to go. It makes sense. People are looking for products already. You just need to show them, and that's it, okay? Then we go to step number 3, and that's picking the strategy, because now we discussed that you guys know that we need to use Google Ads for your dropshipping store. How do you actually execute on this? Well, it is actually pretty simple. And one of the steps that I always take is I literally go to the Facebook ads library and I just see what people are selling there. And I copy and paste them on my Google Ads dropshipping store. So for example, this is one from this morning that I was taking this screenshot. And you guys can see it says it's in Dutch, but it's like launched on October 14th. That's the day that I'm recording this one. And you guys can see they're selling these Camilla puffer jackets. So if we click on it, I even link it to the website. You guys can see it looks actually pretty nice, to be honest. I saw that it's a Dutch dropshipper behind it, of course. The Dutch people know how to create beautiful looking stores. This is exactly a typical dropshipping store that I would run as well. And it looks really, really nice. Really, to be honest, really, really nice. Now we know that these guys are spending money on puffer jackets. The next step that we need to do is we go to Google Trends. And as you guys can see here, the search term puffer jacket, literally in the last 5 years, look at the trend. And it is always peaking at the exact same moment, as you guys can see. And you guys can see it starts to go up, of course. So this is the moment that I start selling the product, because now we are here. It starts to pick up right now. So that means we have time to leverage, and we put it on our dropshipping store. That's one strategy that I do. I literally just copy and paste the Facebook ads dropshippers, because don't forget, guys, these guys are already generating demand and traffic. So for example, when a customer is on Facebook and they're scrolling past these advertisements, like past these ads, they're like, oh yeah, nice, nice. And they click on it, and then suddenly, boom, they get a DM from their grandma on Instagram, and they start responding to that. They completely forgot, right? Because they are here in a social behavior. They're literally in a social behavior. They're not in a buying intent or buying mode. But then later they think, I saw a beautiful puffer jacket. I would love to buy this. What do? They go to Google and they type in puffer jacket. That's what they do. And that's where our store comes in. The crazy thing as well is this person has now been charged, because it's a CPM based platform, by impression, because they saw the ad, boom, the advertiser has been charged money from Zuckerberg. So he lost money. While on Google, if you search on Google, there's no money spent yet. Only when people click on your ad, Google charges you money, which is amazing, Only when you click on it. And the front looking page from the ad is literally the image, your store URL, and the price already. So they have a lot of information when they click on your ad. This is also why the conversion rate is higher on a Google Ads dropshipping store and the buying intent higher, because people actually are knowing what they're looking for, and they already know what price you're selling it for. The second strategy is, I've talked about it much on this channel, but I just want to briefly touch on it. It's using my NordVPN. This is the only paid tool that I will recommend to you guys, maybe one of the few. Literally, you can just switch your IP to a different market. You can literally just see what people are selling. Let me do this right now and open my VPN. Okay, guys, as you can see, I opened NordVPN. I opened the United Kingdom as my IP location. I opened a new incognito tab, and I went to Google. Now we can literally do the exact same thing, puffer jacket. Boom. Okay, so now we go to shopping, and we can see what people are actually selling here. And we try to find dropshippers that are selling these dropshipping products. This is a dropshipper. I can instantly see. Normally it's even by the name sometimes that I can. This is also dropshipper. You see, now I find a lot of them already. This is a dropshipper. This website looks really clean, by the way. About the owner. Okay. Beautiful AI image. So this is literally what I do. I just open all these stores, and how do I recognize them? Well, they don't have any reviews normally, and they have weird looking images, like normally without models, or the models' faces are cut off. But yeah, this kind of stuff. Let's see. So for example, when we have this store, right? Which store was the beautiful looking store? Was it this one? Yeah, that was this one. We take this one, and I pause my VPN again. We go back. We can literally now open the store and see with SimilarWeb if they're getting momentum. And yes, they're getting momentum. So this is the second paid tool that I would recommend, SimilarWeb. Now we can literally see these guys are scaling. These guys are getting momentum. It's taking off. So what do? As you guys can see, we make a competitor tracking sheet. That's what do. I have here a competitor tracking sheet. I just put the store in here. I put the SimilarWeb monthly visits, and I even use the bestsellers link and the Google Ads Transparency Center. If you guys want to have this sheet, you need to do two things. One, first of all, subscribe to the channel, because a lot of people that are watching this, you're not subscribed yet. Please support the channel and subscribe. And secondly, just drop a comment, say something nice, and I will send it over to you. Okay? So that's exactly what I've done. Now I've literally found products on Facebook that I can literally just take. We know that the trend is in demand, puffer jacket is going up. We switch from market. We literally go, I'm here now recording in Portugal. I switched to United Kingdom and I literally found 4 or 5 dropshippers. Then I just verify this with SimilarWeb and I put it in my competitor tracking sheet. That's the whole process. That's exactly what I have been doing with this store. And this store is actually not that old yet. It's literally just taking off very consistent. As you guys can see, yeah, this is a little bit weird graph, but you guys can literally see how beautiful it is growing and growing and growing. And as you guys know, we're already printing money while we're making this video, okay? So that's step number 3. Step number 4, of course, is not last but not least, try it for at least 90 days straight. Nothing happens overnight, okay? And 90 days, come on, it's 3 months. It's nothing. If you cannot commit for anything for 90 days, please just skip this video and just try to trade Bitcoin tomorrow and make millions, which is stupid. You need to commit for at least 90 days. As you guys can see, my UK store, for example, the year to date, which is now 10 months, we made 1.1 million. That's insane. With 300, I believe like 330K, 360K profit in 1 year, in 10 months, actually, in 10 months. So that's because I tried it for at least the first 90 days and we got momentum. So imagine if you skip these 90 days. Imagine the cost opportunity that you have, okay? And that's exactly why I created Freedom Achievers community, by the way, because in Freedom Achievers community, we say make 1K per day in 90 days with Google Ads dropshipping. Come on, if you can literally make 1K per day after 90 days, you're making 30K a month and you literally are not doing anything. That's a beautiful deal, right? And if you're already making money, this is the easiest way to make at least 10K, 15K or even higher. As you guys can see, for example, Karim joined the community. After 34 days of launching, he literally hit his first 1K day, which is amazing. A crazy conversion rate. I told you, Google Ads dropshipping is amazing with the conversion rate. Here again, Leonardo, he was literally just joined the community, spent $3, his first $3, and boom, he got his first sale, which is insane, I think this is the easiest and the best business model to make at least 10K plus per day. And I think this is even done within 90 days, to be honest. But I'm careful with my statements. So I literally just said make 1K per day in 90 days. I think that's better. Here, Georgi hit also his first 1K day. It's easy. First 6K day from Paul. This is all in the last 3 days, which is which is insane. So yes, we have a full course in here as well. If you guys want to learn, like literally pick your niche, pick your market, how to build a store, how to build a GMC, because a GMC, I know this can be a little bit tough, but it's free and you just need to learn. You just need to learn how to execute on it. We have everything in here. We have the live calls, of course. You can just hop on a call with me or with my team. And this is it. And if you guys exactly want to know how I find actually more products that do at least 100K plus per month, check out this video, because I made a full tutorial going over my product research method, how I literally just find my products and how I scale my stores with these products. So make sure you watch that one. Thank you for watching and I see you on the next one.